and welcome to the Market Bag, where we help you find out what the prices are like for the provisions that you'll be needing this weekend. I'm Sashana, and I'm at the Coronation Market in downtown Kingston. So, let's go. So, Princess, tell me, what are some of the items that whose prices have increased or decreased since last week?
Well, like Irish potato, ginger, plum tomato,
So, how much them
onion.
cost now? What are the different costs of the different items?
Irish gone up like $40 more.
Oh,
As I buy Irish last week for 120, 130. They must sell Irish like 170,
wow.
150, 140. The freshest one, 170 them say.
Yeah.
The storage one, they must sell it for 140. And the ginger, $300. The foreign one would have to sell for 350,
So, how much was ginger last week again?
280,
And it was $300.
or 350. Some people are going to say 350. As them not really settle for $120. And then the onion still short, yeah. 250 may I sell for, but most people are selling for $300. Yeah. Put
So
it
I-
down.
So, why are these prices increasing so much in a week?
Basically, they must say drought, and then they must say rain or fall. I don't know about time like this now in summer, all of the things them always go.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
just
right.
the time, please.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that doesn't sound too good for my pocket, but we're still going to do some shopping, so let's go. That's it for this week's edition of the Market Bag. Be sure to join us again next week. I'm Sashana. Bye.